Hello friends, let's see how the Nifty and Bank Nifty is going to trade on Monday. That is the 24th of January 2022. In the previous video, we have seen that this area 617 where the Nifty is probably closed is exactly the support line. What it should provide a support. This line should provide a support because it's a pivot center from here. Okay, it's a pivot point where the Nifty has took a turn last time, and then now it should work as a support here. It was a resistance working here. Now it's a classic example of resistance and support. Now it should act as a support, and we have seen that all these 3 days deep selling took a pause here in this area, and here we have seen that it formed a doji. Let's choose a small. It formed a doji here, and we all know that doji candle is a very prominent candle for a trend reversal. It shows that, okay, yes, this trend is exhausting here, and there may be a sign of reversals. So where we will trade, we'll just first let me remove it. Yeah, so how we can trade it here? We will avoid any trade in between this area because this is again no trade zone. This is a no trade zone, and if the Nifty stays within this range on Monday, we are not going to take any trade because it's it's the pre-budget time and the market is very volatile. The volatility of the market has increased and has risen a lot, and it has increased, and you don't want to get your trade into choppy hands. SL hunting is very common these days. So whatever your strategy could be, you shouldn't trade in a range unless a clear direction is established here. So first you should wait here. If Nifty crosses above this line, that is, this line is we will mark it here, this is 17705. So if it crosses 17705, then you can take a long trade, and if it falls below 17490, 95 exactly, 17490, then we will take a short trade. So here we will go long, here we will go short. Okay, we don't have to do anything within this range. It's a no trade zone, and there is no direction here. So unless there is a clear direction, we shouldn't. And one more thing, don't get excited these days with taking a huge trade. Always go light. I will advise you to go take a light trade, okay, with less quantities. So that your risk management should be in control. So you have to limit your risk at any cost. It's a pre-budget market and the volatility is very high. I will advise anyone to buy options during this period because the volatility is very high, and it could get very risky and choppy for the option buyers especially. Now we have seen here that the market has taken it was already in downtrend and breached here, and then it's again the rise and started, and now we have to only see here. Let's see, the market has broken this area. This was the lower low, but this is a higher high. It is higher than here. So okay, so this high is higher high. Now we have to wait here, and we are expecting that this should be higher low. This should be, I'm not sure whether this is or not, this should be the higher low. If this reverses from here, then market can go up for a new high above. Okay, new high, and after budget, if everything is all right, Nifty may see a higher levels in the coming sessions. Now let's see how it is going to fare in the Bank Nifty. Let's just before going to Banknifty, let's see how Nifty ended up on the last trading session here. See, Bajaj Auto was positive, Hindustan Unilever was positive, Maruti, Hero Moto. So this auto sector is positive. There is clear buying coming in the auto sectors. SDFC Bank and Kotak Bank and ICICI all in greens, slightly greens. So it means the financial sector is also supporting. The Bank Nifty is also supporting here. The only draggers were, see, Bajaj Finserv, Tech Mahindra, Sri Cement and Coal. Though Coal India and DBs left, they have a very less impact. But yes, Sri Cement, Tech Mahindra, Bajaj, and the heavy counters are here, which dragged probably. I'm looking for Reliance, but it's negligible. It's negligible. So it's not a. That's why Nifty was able to form a doji candle, because the tug of war between bulls and bears are almost same. Let's see how the Bank Nifty is doing. Here's the Bank Nifty. We can see the Bank Nifty is clearly showing an evident sign of strength. It's a very healthy pullback here. The market went up from this. Okay, this was the fall correction which was coming in. The market made again here a higher high pattern here. Now this should form as a higher low. Okay, then this trend will continue above. Now we'll have to again wait here. This is a no trade zone. Okay, no trade zone. When the market will go, we'll just check the levels. Okay, yeah, this is the level. It's clear here. The high is 13,741. So the market, when it will go above 37,740, we will go long. Okay, long, and the low was 37,224. So it's 37,220. If it goes below it, we will short the market. Okay, short the Bank Nifty. But I'm expecting here, see, since banking sectors have already taken a good beat by the COVID and all, and this budget is going to support the financial sector. Everybody is expecting that. So once the government will provide a little bit of support to the financial sector, the bank sector, and they will start showing signs of recovery, this Bank Nifty will go up. And once the Bank Nifty will start taking a recovery here, it will have an impact on all the market. Even Nifty will be in a good range. Nifty will go up also, and it will support other industries as well. Now we'll see what are the trades we can check here. For the Monday first trade should be, we will look at the Biocon. See, again here the Biocon. Sorry. Again, the Biocon is showing some sort of, it was in a clear downtrend. If you can see, this was the trend line, the down trend line, and now you can see here that there was some sort of accumulation, some sort of resistance. If you can see here, it already made a clear W formation. Very beautiful W formation. Is a double bottom here with the increased volume here. So I'm expecting that definitely it should break out for the above level. Okay, and we can take an entry if the market closes just below above 377. From here, take a long position immediately. The support, the stop loss should be of 355. So this 355 should be your SL. Here should be your SL, and 377 to 385, it could be your entry range, and the first target should be 410. Okay, this is the first target. 410 is the T1, and you can trail your SL. Always trail your SL. Okay, so this is the first trade. Now let's see about our second trade. This is Chola Finance. Cholamandalam Finance is also showing an interesting pattern. It came down again, it went up here. It's showing this, it could be a double top, so we will wait. We cannot jump right now. How we will take the trade then? It's showing some signs of strength. How we can see when it's reaching near this area, we can see that some selling is also coming up, but the volume is increased here. So, and the result is around the corner. So we can trade only when this will go above, 660, 664. Then we will take a long trade here. Okay, long trade, and with a strict stop loss of 630. This should be the SL. Now our next trade would be power grid. Okay, power grid, this stock is also showing a very good buying. You can see that this stock has made a range in between these two areas. This has become a support zone. This is a supply zone, but here it's sustaining. Now see, the volume is also higher side. It's taken a correction from here to 15, but definitely if it will reach above 215, we will not go for a long time. If it opens above 215, we can take a trade for long, okay, with a stop loss of 210. 210 should be our SL. So we can enter at the CMP current price level with the 5 rupees stop loss, and we can trail her this trade. I'm expecting there's something is happening here. If you can see here, it's a pattern formation, and it should break on the above side. If it comes on the downside, your stop loss will protect your capital. Okay folks, so these are the trades for the Monday. Okay, and hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video. If you have if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, please like, subscribe, and share our channel and our videos. And if you want us to make any video on any particular topic, you can also mention in that. Till then, happy trading. Okay, have a nice day.